I'm Ed Miguez. I'm Ed Miguez. I obviously don't teach Spanish. I do teach physical education. And there are some really cool game apps on the iPod Touch, but I don't use them. I didn't want, like iGolf, for instance, I didn't want the kids throwing the iPod Touches. So I'm going to talk about a couple of different uses of it. One of them is with an app called Go Learn Fitness. And this allows the kids to choose a couple of different activities and evaluate those activities in terms of their intensity. I have them do a quick exercise where they choose an activity with a partner. The two partners will then do the two activities, and they will take their heart rate after a couple of minutes of doing the activity. And then they can evaluate which activity is more intensive. So we'll try one with abs. Everybody likes go there about abs. So this one, when we tap the image, it's supposed to come up quickly. Unfortunately, I've let my battery run down a little bit. And they'll go through the list of applications, they'll view it, and then they'll try to emulate that. There's an explanation with each of these. I have the sound down right now, but they'll be able to then see how to do it correctly, and then they'll try to go ahead and exercise that way. And then after they're done with their 2 minutes, they'll go ahead and do their worksheet with their finding their heart rate. Another form that I do, need that right now. Another activity that I'll do with the iPod Touch is helping kids become more aware of, visually in particular, of a particular activity before they do it. I'll try to do that at the beginning of class with a digital projector and a computer, but a lot of times kids are not around when I do that particular demonstration. If I'm out in the field, the mobility of the iPod Touch allows me to pull it out of my pocket, and if a student is struggling with understanding a particular exercise, particular activity like football, because we have a lot of students that are at Culverth that have not had that experience prior to coming here, I can quickly bring up YouTube, show them that activity, and they have the opportunity to be able to visually understand that, especially if there are some language issues that they might not understand exactly what I'm explaining to you. And it's been a really big benefit without having to drag them into the computer lab. I can just show them right there on the field itself. So I really enjoyed having the access of YouTube and internet resources in my pocket.